What should I do if the hydraulic breaker makes abnormal noise? These 10 tips will help you do it easily. First of all, the hydraulic oil must be selected correctly. Cleanliness and viscosity are both critical. Check the hydraulic pipeline. Then there's no oil leakage. Is there any abnormal noise in the hydraulic cylinder? Disassemble and inspect and replace with new one. Check the piston cylinder valve core and replace it if it is worn or damaged. The position of the guide rod must be adjusted properly and it will not get stuck due to interference. The cooling system is also important and the radiator fan must be powerful. The vibration lining protects the machine and should be promptly damaged due to wear and tear. When the drill rod is worn, replace it with a new one to make the crushing efficiency more efficient. Check the condition of the spring and replace it if it loses elasticity. If none of the above works, don't panic. Find professional maintenance personnel to help you, and you will be more assured of maintenance.